Is cracking your knuckles harmful or just plain annoying? Let's find out. Knuckle cracking, some love it, some hate it. But is it harmful or just irritating? First off, that satisfying pop, it's just gas bubbles in your joints collapsing. That's pretty cool, right? Now what about the rumors? Will it give you arthritis? Good news, science says no. Research shows no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis, so relax, your joints are safe. But wait, there's more. Some rare cases of injury do exist, but they're usually from using too much force or bad technique. So, crack responsibly, folks. Bottom line, if you enjoy cracking your knuckles, go right ahead. It's not causing harm. But if someone's cracking drives you nuts, you'll need a better excuse than joint damage to make them stop. Thanks for watching. And remember, stay healthy and stay curious.